I think it's lovely actually. I like the idea that it's done with this sort of, it gives an effect of having been done with a ribbon. I think it's beautiful, which is very important because it's after all an aesthetic service that they're providing. I like the use of color. And I like that these colors, I think, seamlessly go into and blend into the others. I think that's what they're also trying to encapsulate because it's more than just paint. The earlier logo, I think, was just specifically about paint, and this goes beyond that. And especially, I think, in the store that we are at today, it talks about home solutions in a more comprehensive way. So beyond just choosing and applying a coat of paint, it actually helps to educate you in terms of what color is, in terms of how colors reflect certain moods or certain trends that are happening, for example, in 2012. They have color consultants, they have workshops, they have a lot of interesting things going on beyond just paint. So I think this kind of logo helps to encapsulate that better. I did, in fact, we spent a couple of days in Delhi visiting the different dealer shops there as part of a competition. And one of the trends in the competition that they wanted people to showcase was the fact that they are going green, which I think is very important, especially when it comes to something like paint, which one is generally associated with having certain toxic effects perhaps. So I think that the idea of them doing that in their packaging, in their product, is something that we should all embrace. I think you should rate me, and you should rate me generously. The little leakage at the bottom has nothing to do with it. The beginning was great. I more or less stayed within the lines. I've also achieved a certain element of blending of red and yellow, a subtlety, I think, of brush stroke. I think I'm a veritable Picasso. I was actually really concerned about being able to paint within the lines. I'm quite pleased with my work. I think I would give myself like a healthy 7 on 10.